It's nice to celebrate all of our success for the past 9 years. And tonight, let me say thank you for each and every person who really wholeheartedly supported all the way from the very beginning until now. Thank you very much. Especially from our Heavenly Father, the Creator of everything. I believe that there is God in heaven who really provided us the pathways for our destinations. For me, having Doc Alternativo right now is a destiny. Honestly, to tell you a little story, I never imagined Doc Alternativo from my younger years. I did not even dream about this. I do not know what is this mission in life is all about. But as you look back from this moment, as I calculated and reminisce the past, I could say that in any events in our lives, may it be at the first place, negative or positive in our thoughts, as long as you really cling and hold on to the one who designed your destiny, there is always a very good opportunities out of those events in life. My wife, Madam Neng, she is the source of my inspiration. My wife is not here, but I know she listened right now. And I'd like to reassure that because of my love to her, in spite of her weaknesses and frailties with disease, that was the reason why I discovered Doc Alternativo. And I thank God because God uses events in life, just like the disease, a lack of diseases with my wife. And of course, my appreciation of the events that lead me to discover what we have today. With this, I'd like to say thank you, Madam Neng, my better half, because of you as an instrument for what we have done today. I love you very much. And of course, to all my children, with me right now, my junior, Edeline, and Angeli and May. They are also my inspiration from time to time. Please receive my heartfelt thanksgiving for each and every one of you. Thank you and thank you very much. You deserve this very good event for us to celebrate. Thank you for all the management team. Of course, I'd like to say thank you also for our members, our believers. Tama si Governor kanina, a lot of our people in this place, in Davao del Sur, from the very beginning, they did not really believe what Doc Alternativo is all about. But because of our members who believe first, who are our radio listeners first, because of you, we achieve what Doc Alternativo today. Please receive my heartfelt thanksgiving to each and every one of you for your continuous patronage of Doc Alternativo from the very beginning until now. Sa lahat ng ating mga members, thank you very much. And of course, sa lahat ng ating mga frontliners, sila po ang araw at gabi nagpapagal sa bawat paglilingkod sa lahat ng ating mga members. na dahil sa inyo, ang Doc Alternatibo po ay mas nakatulong pa, nakapagbigay pa ng maraming solusyon, especially sa kalusugan, pangkabuhayan sa lahat ng ating mga members. Kayo ang dahilan kung bakit mas lumalawak at lumalago ang Doc Alternatibo. Sa lahat po ng branches at branch heads and branch managers ng Doc Alternatibo nationwide na naririto ngayon o nakikinig sa atin o nanonood sa atin sa pamamagitan ng Facebook accounts natin. Let me say, thank you, and you deserve this celebration with us tonight. At sa lahat ng ating mga naging beneficiaries ng mga pagpapagal at investments ng Doc Alternatibo. Nakasama natin, naglilingkod din sa atin dito, at the same time nag-aaral. Kayo po ang inspirasyon namin dahil sa inyo, mga ginigiliw naming scholars ng One Asa. Maraming salamat po. Kayo po ang nagbigay lang sa amin upang magpatuloy sa aming mga gawain. Thank you very much. And of course, pinasasalamatan natin ang gobyerno ng Davao del Sur, ng Digo City, sa kanilang recognition sa Doc Alternatibo at nagpapatuloy ang kanilang suporta. Headed by our very own Governor Dodong Agas. We are so grateful na nakalabas na po si Governor at kami po ay nagpapasalamat sa kanyang bago lang binitawang suporta para po sa Doc Alternatibo.
Ako kayong admiration, ako kayong respeto sa atong inventor, entrepreneur, Dr. F. Alternatibo. Kanyang tanan nga akong i-presume, akong i-assume nga sama ka nako naggamit halos sa tanang produkto sa Doc F. Alternatibo. Ikan pagkasuhan. Nakibuagi pagkasuhan karon, mabalik ko dito. Ano hindi mo gipani para maduol na balik sa kaguluyanan for 1 year and 10 months. Diya sa PJMP. I hope na ibalo mo, ay magkagool na preso ko. Nalipay kong na preso ko. Because not everybody, I cannot imagine nga doon na yung sa katao, diri nga nag-experience sa akong nagian. But how did I survive the 1 year and 10 months of confinement sa PJMP? How did I survive the loneliness of being alone in the evening, missing your wife, your son, and even ang bagong apo, who is now almost 2 years old? He was born while I was inside PJMP. How did I survive? You survive? The answer is very simple. Doc Ed Alternatibo did not miss sending me all the products. That's true. At pwede naghanap mo na rin ng Ed. Anan produkto. Apple Half Plus, Apple Mixten Coffee, Herbal Coffee, Apple ng ascorbic manganese, magnesium. I just took a sip tonight. Kita ka kung okay. O katong other products dire nga di ba kung ka makagamit nga tapos sa katong box, ito box nila ni okay. But it was not only I or me nga nag-take yato. I shared what was given to me by Doc Ed First, sa akong mga gwardiya. Sa akong mga gwardiya diha sa PJNP. And secondly, ngadto sa kauban akong mga inmates. And they will love it, they will like it. Namuntahan sila, ayaw sa gawas ko? Ano naman? Dili man naman padala kong edere o dili, gawas ka. Can you imagine that? Ilalang paano nito? But that's why I'm here. I'd like to say that thank you very much, Dr. Thank you for your products. I survived the loneliness. Wala ang akong stress. I survived na magkaon ulan. Nga ka na maputol ang ulo. Sa punta, ulan. Sa auto, pansit. Nga walay timpla, ikaribala mga asin. Beer. Wait na ako. Beer na pansit. Sa gabi, balik ka sa ulan. I survived because of the elements that constituted the products of Toke. Thank you very much.